Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And as I told in the assembly that considering his contribution in uniting India or giving the modern shape of India, his contribution, today is being celebrated all over India. Not only in India, even outside India, wherever Indian embassies are there, as a National Unity Day. Now, just to commemorate that, or just to be a member in this national festival, we are sending you for a run for unity. Understand the meaning. Run for unity means we are running to create awareness among Indians that we are one. We must remain united. So when we are united, we are stronger. When you are united, you prosper faster. And more importantly, since you are young people, you have more responsibility than us. You have more, the onus is more on you. So that you tell your friends, neighbors, everybody why it is important to all remain united, considering any background. As I told you, maybe caste, color, religion, whatever it is. First comes what? Nation. First comes India. Rest other comes secondary. So we are Indian first and Indian last. Right? Whatever caste, religion you follow, that is your, that should be inside your door. That's a topic you may discuss only in your bedroom or your drawing room. Right? So let us, study and make our presence worthwhile. Your job is not only to study, your job is also to what you can contribute in the building of process of the country. Right? That is why, it is, Abraham Lincoln said once, that don't ask what country gives to you. Ask yourself what you are doing for your country. So what you can do? By being good, by maintaining discipline, by studying properly, by behaving well with all the people, by following rules of the country. Yeah, that is also help. India does not need any wealth from you. Your personal wealth is India's wealth. If you become very good student, discipline, you are helping build India. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Your growth is India's growth. So how you grow? By maintaining discipline, by respecting time, and also by studying well. Right? And treating all Indians like your own family. We are one. Is that clear?
Yes.
All right. All the best. Feel proud. You'll remember whole life. That's my guarantee. Whole life you'll remember that when you're in Birsiba, you went for a run for unity. That means you are also playing important role in building India. It's not a joke. You understand me?
Yes,
so feel proud, feel happy. Yes, you are participating in a national festival called Run for Unity. Enjoy, but behave well on the road. No shouting, nothing. Is that clear? All right. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Good luck. Feel happy. You are a part of national festival.